In today's class, we shall make some transformation of sentence, such as from simple sentence to complex sentence, from complex sentence to simple sentence, and so on. So the first question is, I was born in Rameswaram, and the next sentence is, it is the erstwhile Madras state. Actually, and these sentences have been taken from Abdul Kalam's writing, The Strong Roots. Okay, so now we have to join these two sentences into a complex sentence. These two are the simple sentences, and we have to join these two simple sentences into a single complex sentence. Now look at this sentence. This is the complex sentence from the above two simple sentences. I was born in Rameswaram, that is in the erstwhile Madras. Actually, erstwhile means former. This means Rameswaram is the former name of Madras. So, in this complex sentence, the antecedent is Rameswaram. What is an antecedent? And the antecedent is either a noun or a noun phrase or a noun clause. Okay, and which is indicated by pronoun, such as here that is a pronoun. Okay, this is a relative pronoun. Here that is a relative pronoun. And this relative pronoun indicates the antecedent Rameswaram. Rameswaram, actually, this is antecedent here. Now, we shall understand this grammatical sentence, this complex sentence from another angle. Actually, we know that in a complex sentence, there is one principal clause and one or more than one subordinate clause or clauses. Okay. So here in this sentence, look at this sentence, I was born in Rameswaram. This is the principal clause here because this clause expresses its own meaning without depending on any other clauses. And this is the subordinate clause. That is in the erstwhile Madras state. This is the subordinate clause. Actually, the red marked clause is the subordinate clause and the blue marked clause is the principal clause. This subordinate clause, this red marked clause cannot express its own meaning itself. It has to depend on the main clause, I was born in Rameswaram. Okay, so this is the common rule of a complex sentence. So from this angle, here are two parts, two clauses in this single sentence. I was born in Rameswaram, this is the principal clause, and that is in the erstwhile Madras state, this is the subordinate clause. So in this way, we have joined the two simple sentences into a complex sentence. The second sentence is, many outsiders ate with us. Writer is saying here that he is quite certain of the fact that many outsiders ate with us. And in this sentence, we have to join these two sentences by using a noun clause. Now, look at this sentence. I am quite certain that many outsiders ate with us. Here also are two parts, two clauses. I am quite certain. This is the principal clause here. And that many outsiders ate with us. This is the blue marked part. The blue marked clause is the subordinate clause here. We have used here that, and by using that, we have joined this two sentences. Actually, the rule is, while using the noun clause can work as a subject of a verb, as an object of a verb, as an object to a preposition. In this case, the preposition can be missing in the sentence. Okay, it may or may not be missing in the sentence. Number 4, complement as a complement of the verb. And number 5, apposition to a noun or pronoun. Now we have to see how the noun clause in the sentence is working. What option is applicable here? Out of 5 options, what is applicable to here? Now see, this third option is applicable here. I am quite certain that many outsiders ate with us. Because actually the sentence could be, I am quite certain of many outsiders ate with others. So, in this sentence, of preposition, certain of, this of preposition is missing. So here, this part of the sentence, this clause of the in the sentence is working as an object to a preposition. I'm quite certain of that many outsiders eat with us. And by omitting the preposition, we have written here in this way. I'm quite certain that many outsiders ate with us. This blue marked clause is the noun clause here, and we can join a noun clause by adding a that. This is the conjunction, that is the conjunction here, and we can add two simple sentences by using that, and this is a noun clause here in this way. I think now the concept is clear. We request you to leave a comment for us if you have any problem. Thank you for staying with us. We are meeting on the next video.